Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to create handkerchief mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the handkerchief. After make a selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer 2 times. Now go to File, Place Embedded and import the design pattern and transform it to the handkerchief size. And place it in the middle of both handkerchief layers and turn on the upper handkerchief layer and create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to multiply. After that, go to blending options, break the slider by holding Alt and drag with click and move to the left side and hit OK. And now turn on the upper handkerchief layer and change that blend mode to linear burn. Now reduce the fill to 45% and reduce the opacity to 60%. And see how we can easily create handkerchief mockup. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.